Students, if you remember, in our previous lecture we have completed exercise 2.2. Now in this lecture we are going to start the exercise 2.3. So here our question number 1 is, students, the question number 1 is find, right? So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 and 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So let's here calculate it. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, students, that means we have to multiply. Of word means you have to multiply. So 1 into 1, multiply numerator with the numerator, will get 1, and 4 into 4 will get 16. Next one, students, 1 by 4 multiply by 3 by 5. So numerator, so 3, 4 5s are 20. Next one is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. See here, students, your denominator and numerator values are same. So here you can cut down. So I am cutting 4 and 4. So I will get 1 by 3. Now the same question is there, but with the different fractions, right? So 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. So 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. So 1 2s are 2 and 7 9s are 63. Next one, students, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. So 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. So 1 6 are 6 and 7 5s are 35. Next one, students, 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. Right? So 1 into 3 is 3 and 7 tens are 70. Here you cannot see any of the cancellation. So directly we have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Is it okay, students? Okay, students, now let's see the question number 2, that is multiply and reduce to the lowest form. That means first we have to multiply it, right? And if the answer comes as improper fraction, then you have to convert it into mixed fraction. Is it okay, students? So let's see here. So 2 by 3 multiply by 2 3s are 6 plus 2. This is a mixed fraction, so that's why I need to convert into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6 plus 2, so 8 upon 3. Now nothing can be cancelled out, students, so you can directly multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 2 8s are, students, it is 16 and 3 3s are 9. Now this is an improper fraction, students, so I am converting it into mixed fraction also. So I am getting 1 9s are 9 and plus 7. Right, because 2 9s it is 18, so we cannot do it. So 1 9s are 9 and plus 7, so we will get 16. Next one, students, 2 by 7 into 7 upon 9. So 7 7 cut down, so I will get the fraction as 2 by 9. Easy. Next one, third one, students, 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. See here, students, you can cut 6 and 4, you can cut even 8 and 6 as you wish, but at a time only one operation, right? Either 6 4 or 6 8. Don't do together two operations. So here I am cutting this one, 6 and 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 3 3s are 9 and 8 2s are 16. Is it okay, students? This is a proper fraction, so there is no need to convert it into mixed fraction. Now see here the fourth question, students, right? 9 upon 5 into 3 upon 5, nothing can be cancelled out, so directly we are multiplying. So 9 3s are 27 and 5 5s are 25. Now this is an improper fraction, students, so I am converting into mixed fraction. So 1 integer 2 upon 25. Is it okay, students? 1 25 is 25 plus 2 will get 27. Next one, 1 by 3 into 15 upon 8, 3 1s are and 3 5s are, right? 3 1s are and 3 5s are. This can be cut down. So 1 5s are is 5 and 1 8s are 8. Moving to the sixth question, students. 11 upon 2 into 3 upon 10. Here also nothing can be cut down, so directly you can multiply it, right? So 11 3s are 33 and 2 10s are 20. This is an improper fraction, students, so I am converting into mixed fraction. So 1 integer 13 upon 20, right? So 120s are 20 and plus 13, so we will get 33. Is it okay? So now move to the last question, student, of this question. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. So here also nothing can be cut down, so I am directly multiplying it side. So 4 12s are 12 4s are is 48 and 5 7s are is 35. 12 4s are it is 48 and 5 7s are 35. This is an improper fraction, so we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So 1 integer 35, 135 is a 35 and 13. So 135 is a 35 plus 13 will get 48. Is it okay, students? Okay, students, now let's see the question number 3. This is also the same of question number 2 only. Multiply the following fraction, but here there is a majority of the mixed fractions, right, students? So let's see here. First question. First of all, need to convert this mixed fraction into improper. So 5 for the 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 4, right? I can cut down 2 and 4, students, because 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So I'll get 21, 5 twos are 10, right? So again I can convert this mixed fraction, improper, into mixed fraction. So 10, 2 tens are 20 and plus 1, right? Next question is 6 5s are 30 plus 2. So 32 upon 5 multiply by 7 upon 9. Nothing can be cut down, students, so directly we'll multiply them. So 2 7 2s are 14, 7s are 21 plus 2 22 and 5 9s are 45. So let's convert this into mixed fraction. 45 4s are, see here, students, the mixed fraction of this, that is 45 is 180 and plus 44. So we'll get 224. Next question, students. 3 by 2. Now we'll convert this into improper. So 5 are 15 plus 1, so 16 by 3, right? See here, students, 3 and 3 can be cut down and 2 ones are and 2 eights are. So the answer is 8. Okay. Now see the next question, fourth one. 5 by 6 into, first I am converting this into improper. 2 7s are 14 plus 3. So 17 upon 7, and here also nothing can be cut down, so we'll multiply. So 15 7s it is 85, right? And 6 7s it is 42. So 42 2s is 84 and 1 will come here. So remainder will be 1. So 42 2s are 84 plus 1, that is 85. Next question. 3 5s are 15 plus 2. So 17 upon 5 into 4 upon 7. Now here also nothing can be cut down, so we'll multiply them. So 17 4s are it is 68, students, and 5 7s are 35. Now 35 1s are 35 and 35 2s are 70. So we cannot take the 2, so we'll take 1. So 135 is 35, right? And how much is the remaining now? 8 minus 5 is 3 and 33. Is it okay, students? So 35 plus 33, so that is 68. Next one, sixth one. 2 5s are 10 plus 3, so 13 upon 5 into 3. So 13 3s are, students, that is 39 and divided by 5. So 39 upon 5. Now let's convert this into improper, from improper to mixed, right? So 39 upon 5. So 5 7s are 35. So 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4. So we'll get 39. Next one, seventh one. So 3 7s are 21 plus 4, that is 25 upon 7. 3 7s are 21 plus 4, that is 25 upon 7 into 3 by 5. Now see here we can cut 25 and 5, students. So 5 1s and 5 5s are 25. So 5 1s and 5 5s are. So 5 3s are 15 divided by 7. Now this is an improper fraction, so we can convert it into mixed one. So we'll get 2 integer 1 upon 7. Right? So 2 integer 1 upon 7. I hope you understood, student, question number 3.
आभार।